QD, also known as the semi-interquartile range, and is calculated by Q3 minus Q1 by 2. How to calculate Q3 and Q1? It I board how to calculate the Q3 and Q1. But the formula is QD equal to Q3 minus Q1 by 2, and coefficient of QD, quarter elevation, is calculated by Q3 minus Q1 by Q3 plus Q1. Okay. Now, so these are the two formulas that is we have to use. QD is equal to Q3 minus Q1 by 2, and coefficient of QD equal to Q3 minus Q1 by Q3 plus Q1. Okay. Let's start in okay. देखो, find the quartile deviation and the coefficient of QD. Find the quartile deviation and the coefficient of QD from the given data. You see, this is not a continuous frequency distribution. Rather, you see, it is a discrete type of frequency distribution. There is no class interval is given. So no class interval is given. X is like some discrete values. 19, 10, 14, 19, 23, and 25. Corresponding frequencies 3, 8, 12, 4, and 1. So this is some discrete type distribution, and we have to find and remember that the formula of QD equal to Q3 minus Q1 by 2, and the coefficient of QD formula equal to Q3 minus Q1 by Q3 plus Q. Now, so we have to first find what is what is the value of Q3 and what is the value of Q1 from this table, but rather discrete frequency distribution table. We have to find Q3 and Q1. Since Q3 and Q1, this quartile, Q3 is called third quartile. मैं आरेक बार repeat करी. Q3 के बोले third quartile and Q1 के बोले first quartile. Remember, there is a similarity between Q2, that is second quartile, and this is actually the median, X tilt. Q2, that is called the second quartile, is actually the median of the frequency, given frequency distribution. So now we have to find the Q3, third quartile, and Q1. When you try to find the median, or rather Q2 or median, when you try to find this value, Q2 or median, we required n by 2 calculation. I think you remember that. N by 2 calculation, or rather, you have to sum, you can easily get the sum like this. 11 plus 12, 23 plus 4, 28 total 28. You can get, so n by 2 equal to 28 by 2, 14. For case of median, you have to calculate the 14th observation. Observation for the median case. And for Q3, you have to calculate, but you have to search, you have to find for the 3n by 4. That is 3 into 28 by 4. That is 21st. 3 into 20, 28 by 4, 7, 7 into 3, 21st. 21st observation. You have to find the value of the 21st observation for the case Q1. যদি আমাদের Q2 এর ক্ষেত্রে লাগবে না, তবে একবার রিক্যাপ করলাম আমাদের পুরনো নলেজটা। For the case of Q2, we have to search, we have to find the value of 14th observation, because n হচ্ছে 28 যোগ করলে 28 হয়, 28 by 2, that is 28 by 2, we can get 14th observation এর ভ্যালুটা চাই, বা we require that 14th observation value. For the case of Q3, we record the 21st observation value, and for the case of Q1, we require, Q1 means n by 4. That is 28 by 4, 7th observation value. So for the case of Q1, we record 7th observation value. For the case of Q2, we record 2 into n by 4. That is n by 2. That is 14th observation value. For the case of Q3, we record 3 into n by 4. That is 3 into 28 by 4. That is 21st observation value. Value of the 21st observation. তাই তো তিনটের ক্ষেত্রে তিন রকম আমাদের এরকম অবজারভেশন ভ্যালুগুলো বার করতে হয়। ওকে, নাও এটা প্রিলিমিনারি নলেজ। এবার অঙ্কটা বেসিক্যালি শুরু করি। কি করে করব? সলিউশন। We have the following table for calculation as X, F, CF. We have the following table for calculation as X, frequency and cumulative frequency, that is CF. So 10, 14, 19, 23, 25. The values, corresponding frequency is given 3, 8, 12, 4, 1. And the corresponding CF, the cumulative frequency, will be 3, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 12, 23, 23 plus 4, 27, 27 plus 1, 28. So this is equal to n. So these are our table for calculation. Now we required the value of the n by 4th item. Okay, we record the value of, now right, since n equal to 28, একটুখানি পজ করি অঙ্কটাকে, কারণ আমরা আরেকবার রিক্যাপ করি হাউ টু ফাইন্ড দ্য মিডিয়ান, তাহলে তোমাদের অঙ্কটা বুঝতে আরেকটু সুবিধা হবে। আরেকবার ইয়ার কোশ্চেনটা ব্যাক করি, যদি অঙ্কটাকে পরিষ্কার বুঝতে পারবে। জাস্ট এ মিনিট। ইয়ার কোশ্চেনটা, ইফ আমাদের যে স্টাডি ম্যাটেরিয়ালটা পড়েছিলাম মিডিয়ানের ক্যালকুলেশনে, সেটা আমি আরেকবার দেখাই, বুঝতে সুবিধা হবে। See, if this type of distribution is given, if this type of distribution is given like this, x and f are given, then you have to find the value of median. Remember, we already know the median means q2. Median means q2. So q2 বার করার যে টেকনিক, similarly q3 বার করার টেকনিক সেম, জাস্ট q2 এর ক্ষেত্রে n/2, q3 এর ক্ষেত্রে n/3 n/4, q1 এর ক্ষেত্রে n/4, তাই তো? সুতরাং বেসিক্যালি if we know the how to find the value of q2, then we can easily find how to value of q1 and how to value q3. আমরা দেখো, if x and f, this discrete type frequency distribution table is given, we first find the CF table. First of all, you have to write x in ascending order like 4, 5, 6, 7. আমাদের লাকিলি এখানে ascending order ছিল অঙ্কটা। আমাদের আরেকবার রিক্যাপ করে অঙ্কটা the values are x এর ভ্যালু যেটা ছিল 10, 14, 19, 23, 25. In this screen share, x এর ভ্যালুস গুলো হচ্ছে 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ascending order এ সাজানো আছে, and corresponding frequencies are is given. এরকম করে করেছিলাম ক্লাসে। Now the CF is like this, we know the CF value. Now we see total number of observation is 42, even number. Remember this, we write it here even. So how to find the equality? We have n/2. To calculate median, we have to calculate n/2. n/2 মানে 42/2, that is 21st. For this particular example 21st, n/2. এবার কি করব, 21st item and corresponding, since this observation is even, 42 is an even number, so we search for 21st to pelami, also for immediate next 22nd item. ঠিক আছে, ঠিক একই টেকনিক, I repeat again, to search for the median value, we have now n/2 is equal to 21, right? So now since the number of observation is even, we go for 21st item value plus and 22nd item value. যদি এটা ইভেন নয় অড হতো, তাহলে we stick with odd. যদি হতো, if n is odd, we go only for n+1/2. মনে করো অবজারভেশনটা, নাম্বার অফ অবজারভেশন is 63, টোটাল হচ্ছে 63 frequency, then we go for 63 plus 1/2, that is 64/2, I think that is 32. We go for 32nd observation. Okay, now in our case we have even number of values 42, so we go for 21st observation and also the immediate next observation, that is 22nd observation. Okay, now how can we get 21st observation? We search in the CF column. There are the 19 values, observation 19 but frequency 19, and after that we get 25. So 21st plus 21 or 22, whatever may be the 21 and 22 both less than 25, পঁচিশের থেকে ছোট, and greater than 19. So the corresponding x, 25th corresponding x is the value of each of them is 8. তাহলে 21st আইটেমের ভ্যালুও 8, 22nd আইটেমের ভ্যালুও 8, and so the median is 8 21st আইটেমের ভ্যালু plus 8 by 2. Okay, and so value is simply 8. Now let us calculate for this example. তারপর আমরা বোর্ডে যাব. Let us calculate for this particular example what is q1. q1 এর জন্য কি করতে হবে? We have to go for n by 4. For this particular example, we have to go for n by 4. So what is n by 4? 42 is even, so n by 4 will be anyone 10.5, I think. দেখো তো ঠিক বলছি কিনা?
হ্যাঁ স্যার 10.5.
So what will be the corresponding, and since this is even, so we again go for 10.5 plus 1, that is 11.5. দুটো জায়গায় যাবো, হ্যাঁ, একটা 10.5 এর জন্য ভ্যালু চেক করবো, আর 11.5 এর জন্য ভ্যালু চেক করবো। ক্লিয়ার? আবার বলছি, এইখানেও তাই করেছিলাম, 21st আইটেমের জন্য ভ্যালু চেক করেছিলাম, and 22nd এর জন্য ভ্যালু চেক করেছিলাম। Right. Here also, since n by 4 is 10.5 and n is even নাহলে আমাদের অন্যরকম ক্যালকুলেশন হতো। ইভেন বলে we again test for 10.5 th value and 11.5 th value, just একটা বেশি। 10.5 th ভ্যালুটা কোথায় আছে? It is greater than 10 but less than 15. So the corresponding this x is 10.5 value, right? And also 11.5 value of 6th, right? দেখো বুঝতে পারলে কিনা? 11.5 যে আইটেমটা সেটাও কিন্তু 6, 10.5 আইটেমটাও 6, 11.5 সেই আইটেমটাও 6. Hence for the q1, the value of q1 will be, for this particular example, value of q1 will be 6 plus 6 by 2, and that is 6. Okay, now can you calculate what is the value of q3 for this example? You have to search what is q3. You have to search for 3n by 4. At the
31.5.
3n by 4 means 31.5, I think.
31.5.
And corresponding, if we go for CF table, where maybe 31.5 greater than 25, less than 34. So this corresponding x9 is 31.5 value. And again, since the total number is even 42, we again go for 31.5 plus 1 plus 1 মানে 32.5. এই ভ্যালুটার জন্য সার্চ করতে হবে। So again we go for, if we again see from the CF column, 32.5 value greater than 25, less than 34, then again the value is 9. So for both cases the value is 9. This case value is 9, and this case also value is 9. and so Q3 will be, for this example, Q3 will be 9 plus 9 by 2. Mean of, like mean arithmetic mean, 2 plus n 9 plus n by 2 by 9. Hello, now clear? এই জায়গাটা এবার আমি বোর্ডে যাচ্ছি, শুধু একবার দেখালাম how to calculate Q3 and Q1 for this particular example. Now we go to the whiteboard. চলে গেলাম, বন্ধ করলাম। হ্যাঁ, বেশি নেই, এর মধ্যে অঙ্কটা করে ফেলতে পারবো আশা করি। 5 মিনিট আছে। Now what is, now n is equal to 24, so n by 4 equal to 7, right? And 3n by 4 equal to 21. Since n is an even number, for finding Q1 we search for Q1, 7th item is, it is 11 greater than 3. We go for CF table, CF column. 7th item greater than 3, less than 11, so corresponding 14, and 7 plus 1 equal to 8th item, that is also greater than 3, 8 to 8, less than 11, so that is also 14. Hence Q1 equal to 14 plus 14 by 2, and that is simply 14. Okay, so can you tell what is Q1, Q3? Anyone? 21st. What is Q3?
স্যার তার আগে একটা জায়গায় QD equals to Q3 minus Q1 by Q2 plus কি ছিল?
ফর্মুলাটা বলছি, ফর্মুলাটা পড়বো। ফর্মুলাটা
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
QD হচ্ছে Q3 minus Q1 by 2, আর কোএফিসিয়েন্ট অফ QD সেটা হচ্ছে Q3 minus Q1 by Q3 plus Q1, এটাকে বলে কোএফিসিয়েন্ট অফ QD। আর শুধু QD সেটা হচ্ছে Q3 minus Q1 by 2. Now what is
Okay,
Q3?
sir.
What is Q3?
19.
No, 21st item. What is 21st? 21st কত? Greater than 11. Go for CF table. Always go for CF column. Greater than 11. Less than 23. So 19. Tick. 19. Good. 19. Hence, and 21st plus 1. That is 22nd. Item is also
স্যার
19. Hence, Q3 equal to 19 plus 19 by 2. That is 19. Time শেষ হয়ে আসছে। Q3 is equal to 19. Okay. Now, what is QD? তাড়াতাড়ি। Anyone? Nineteen minus 14 by 19 minus 14 by
2.5.
right. 19 minus
2.5.
19 minus 14 মানে 5 by 2, তাই তো? 19 minus 14 by 2, 19 minus 14 মানে 5 by 2, 2.5, right? Good. Q3 2.5. And what is coefficient of Q3? What is coefficient of QD? Five by 33 बोले थे.
Yes, sir. 5/33.
5 by 33. So you write the answer as, QD equal to 19 minus 14 by 2, that is 2.5, and coefficient of QD equal to Q3 minus Q1 by Q3 plus Q1, that is 5 by 33. And by calculation কত পাবি বলে দাও তো কত হয় এটা?
0.1515.
0.1515. ওকে, নেক্সট ডে কন্টিনিউ কিউডি। হ্যাঁ, তার আগে বললাম শনিবার অ্যাজ ইউজুয়াল একটা এমসিকিউ টেস্ট আছে। বন্ধ করলাম।